Welcome to Wolf Creek, one of Temecula's most sought-after communities. And this home, it doesn't disappoint.
Honey, we got a moon that's full and a dance floor.
Tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac, this gorgeous pool home offers the privacy and serenity you've been searching for, while keeping you close to everything that makes Temecula so special. We are talking award-winning schools just minutes away, world-class wineries practically in your backyard, and some of the most beautiful golf course communities in all of Southern California. But let's be honest, the pool is calling your name. Whether you're hosting unforgettable summer gatherings or simply unwinding after a long week, this backyard was made for living your best life. Wolf Creek is the kind of neighborhood people move to and never want to leave. And once you see this home, you'll understand why. Your Temecula dream life starts here. And here's the thing, homes like this, they don't sit. The buyers who act today are the ones who win. Call or text us right now to schedule your private showing. And come see firsthand why this one will not last.
To hold you, so lose your shoes and dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight, dance with me tonight. My heart beats fast when we're moving slow. Just one touch sends me out of control. Whatever you do, baby, don't let go. Just don't let go. I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you how I was made.
We would love to walk you through every gorgeous detail. The real question is, what are you waiting for?
Rising through the ceiling.